Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you on how to replace the defective CMOS battery on DELL Latitude E6420 laptop. Guys, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. In this part, remove all of the screws and the laptop cover. And also remove all of CD drive and a solid state drive. In this part, it shows the defective CMOS battery laptop. This one new CMOS battery replacement, I bought it from Lazada. Lazada, baka naman. Just remove the defective CMOS battery carefully. And now installation process of the CMOS battery. All CMOS batteries have a negative and positive polarity. And just make sure to plug the connector correctly. Guys, done the installation of the CMOS battery. In this part, restoration of the laptop cover, screws, CD drive, and the solid state drive. Guys, if you like this kind of video, please subscribe so that you're always updated to my next video. Thanks for watching.